Salut! It's the French song that we're gonna learn today. We will start in D minor and then change the key to F minor and again a modulation to G minor. So we will play the song in 3 different keys. So let's start in D minor. We will start on G string. We should place La first finger on G and Fa second finger on D so we can start playing. And then we will play Do, Sol, both of them with third finger. Do is on G, Sol is on D string. Now we play D open string and first finger Si bemol on A string. After repeating the chorus, we will play the verse. Again, first finger on G string, we start with La. We repeat the verse and we change the tonality, we change the key into F minor. So F minor has 4 bemols, Si, Mi, La, Re bemol. We will start with Do and we have to be careful for the bemols. Let's place Do third finger on G string and La bemol fourth finger on D string. So we played Re bemol and La bemol, both of them with fourth finger. We should be careful placing the fourth finger on 2 strings, G and D. Now Mi bemol and Si bemol on D and A strings with the same finger. We will repeat this part, but we will finish it differently. Now we will play the 4-bar bridge that takes us from F minor to G minor. So F minor has 4 bemols, G minor has 2 bemols. We start with Do, second finger on A string. Now we enter to G minor. We will play the verse in G minor. We start with D, open string. After repeating the verse, we will play the chorus again, but this time in G minor. We start with open string D and Si bemol, first finger on A string. Let's repeat the chorus and end the song with a 4-beat Sol. Thanks for watching. You can find other tutorial videos in my YouTube channel in the playlist tutorials. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel.